we're going to record the great snowstorm of... Come on, don't be a party pooper. Okay. Oh goodness, look. There's the pond with the water level lowered. That's how much snow we got today. This is the top of the hot tub. You can see not much heat gets out to melt the snow. Looks like out through the windows. Look at that. Look. Rabbit cage. Guy's exhausted from shoveling. Here are the skis so we can get milk if we need to. Oh, great. As you can see, the plow's been by and piled up stuff on our side of the street. Driveway we're gonna have to shovel right there.